Today, I'm going to talk about subject it rains in Paris every day. Plastic rain. What about in Seoul? The rain can be identified by a special microscope as will be described later. Please note that this is an English version, although I have a Korean version too. In that sense, Minderoo Foundation forecasts the amount of plastic rain in Paris every day. It is a non-profit organization in Australia. It invested a big fund for a research on global issues, reporting plastic waste maker index 2 times in 2021 and 2023. Here I summarize 2023 report. The foundation compared the amount of plastic waste in 2019 and 2021, finding that 6 million tons more plastic waste are produced in 2021, mostly by petrochemical companies. They also find that cradle-to-grave greenhouse emission from the single-use plastics in 2021 is 460 megatons of carbon dioxide, which is also equal to total emission by United Kingdom per year. Therefore, they ask for policy for recycling and prevention from leakage. In addition, they also recommend a loss and damage fund to compensate for the damage to the developed country caused by developed countries. Additional remarks. Cradle to grave means throughout the lifetime from production to disposal. And single-use plastic means the ones disposed after single use, not being recycled. To watch the forecast, go to the URL https://plasticforecast.com. The forecast is based on combined research on atmospheric plastic dynamics with traditional weather forecast. Other cities are expected to be added for the forecast later. The actual amount of plastic being deposited should be much higher than this forecast because there are other types of plastics not considered in the calculation. You'll find that several hundreds of kilograms of plastics fall down every day, summing up to 50 tons per year. The microplastics in the atmosphere can be found in remote areas such as the Arctic, North Pole or South Pole, indicating the transport of these particles to long distance. Essentially, water sticks to the microplastics less than 5 millimeter, which is then exposed to the water cycle through evaporation and fall down. Mostly, the evaporation is due to 3 types of plastics, which are known to float in water. This is possible due to the density of these plastics being less or equal to the density of water, such as polypropylene used for bottle caps, polyethylene for plastic bags, and polystyrene for fishing floats. It was shown that raining plastics have colors, which was broadcasted in a CNN report in 2019. The rainfall survey, titled "It is Raining Plastic," was put together by scientists. They couldn't see the plastic with their naked eyes, but found it using a binocular microscope fitted with a digital camera. Blue was most prevalent, followed by other colors. According to a paper published in Science in 2020, whose title is "Pristine Rain in Protected Areas of the United States," it was shown that Grand Canyon is an unspoiled land, yet an invisible menace is actually blowing. See the figure on the right-hand side for a better understanding. Over 1,000 metric tons of microplastic particles fall into 11 protected areas in the western US each year. It's shocking, considering a much higher population density of Korea. We can easily expect that the situation would be much more serious in Korea. Therefore, it is quite urgent to reduce plastic waste. I'm going to release other YouTube files on renewable energy one by one. Thank you for watching.